had been looking for a bug zapper that could handle both my backyard and the campsite without needing a power cord, batteries, or USB connection nearby to keep it running. So when the brand offered to send me this TYPEC Solar Bug Zapper to try, I was thrilled because it was already on my list. But there's something about this zapper that I didn't realize until I had it in my hand and I actually saw it working. In this review, I'm going to share my top 3 reasons this solar bug zapper earned a spot in both my backyard and my camper, and I'm saving the one that surprised me for last. Number 3, no complicated setup, it just works. Sensors turn it on automatically at dusk and turn it off automatically at dawn. It's waterproof, so rain is not a concern, and the 420 volt grid handles the bugs that make the mistake of getting too close. Just set it out, let it run, and empty the tray when it needs it. That's it. Set it and forget it. Well, don't forget it at your campsite. Number 2, it's solar powered. No extension cord is needed, no hunting for batteries, no USB connection required at the campsite. It does have the ability to be charged using an included USB cable. That way you're still covered on cloudy days. But normally the solar panels charge it during the day and it runs during the night on that charge. And the number 1 reason and why I'm loving this bug zapper so much, and the one I saved for last, is because it surprised me. The 3 LED lights fold down from the unit with the solar panels sitting on top of them and facing up. This design maximizes solar capture throughout the day, while the 3 bright lights facing downward are doing the bug attracting work at night, pulling mosquitoes and flying insects away from where you're sitting and drawing them toward the zapping grid instead. Most bug zappers just have the 1 light. This one has 3 folding lights specifically positioned to maximize how many bugs get drawn toward the zapper and away from you. And the solar panels sit right on top of those same folding arms, meaning the charging system and the attraction system are built into the same moving part. Brilliant! This is a much smarter design than anything else I've seen in this category, and you don't realize the impact of those 3 LED lights until you see it in action. Solar panels charge it, light attracts the bugs, the grid handles the rest. This is a complete system in one unit that goes anywhere you need it to. So go ahead and get the 2-pack because you're going to want one at home and one to use while camping. I hope this review was helpful. If it was, follow my shop for more hands-on demos and reviews of all my home, yard, dog, and camping favorites. Thanks for watching.